some dirt, some actual proper just soil. Welcome to the bike check video. This is the Track Attack Professional from the 1990 somethings. Sold in Gloucester in a shop from someone that's left comments on my video before. Maybe not this particular one, but it's made of metal, steel. It's quite dark right now in the morning, so sorry about the grainy footage. But I've left the original group set on, which is, I don't know, some unbranded stuff probably. Does it say Shimano on it? It does. It says Shimano. It's legit, man. Shimano group set. Got 5 speeds on the back and cantilever brakes, which I bought these from eBay to replace the originals. They've got holes drilled in them, so this is actually a pretty light bike in the scheme of things. So I've added some weight by I brought my lock. Oh, my lock's not locked. I'll have to lock my lock in a minute. The concerning thing is the front tyre. It's a bit old. I don't know if you can see the cracking. It's cracked quite a lot. So I don't know what's going to happen when if I was to ride this quite a long way. Sidewall's looking a little bit worse for wear, and it's got obviously the cobwebs for added speed, because this bike's not a wuss, it lives outside. So I'm going to channel that energy today and send it hard. I've serviced the hubs, so don't worry about those. They just look horrible. I've replaced the plastic brake levers for ones that are metal, because that way when you squeeze them, it's not just the levers that bend, you actually stop. So I've improved that. Should we spin up the back wheel? Oh, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Oh, so it's falling. Without breaking the camera. Hear that? That's ready to go. What else do you need to know about it? 26-inch wheels. Look how good it looks. I think 26-inch wheels suit bikes the best. Shame they're not actually that fast. Right, let's get it around this track then. Oh, this looks fun. Oh yeah, oh yeah.